Ever wondered which cars are so expensive that even billionaires hesitate to buy them? From classics to futuristic marvels, these are the rides that redefine luxury. But why are these cars worth more than most people's lifetime earnings? Join us as we unveil the jaw-dropping costs and mind-blowing features of the world's most unaffordable cars. If you're ready to be amazed by automotive artistry, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our exclusive content. Don't miss out on exploring the epitome of luxury on wheels. Let's get started. Number 9. Ferrari 250 GTO. Many people want this famous car, but it is really expensive. Why? The Ferrari 250 GTO was made in the early 1960s and is special for several reasons. First, it's excellent at racing and has won a lot of competitions. Second, they only made 36 of these cars, so it's really rare. People who love cars want to own one. Now let's talk about how much it costs. It's hard to say exactly, but some people think it could be worth around $70 million. Yes, that's a lot of money, more than most people make their whole lives. But if you're someone who collects cars, you might think it's worth it to own a part of car history. Number 8. Rolls Royce Boat Tail. The Rolls Royce Boat Tail is not just a luxury car, it's a personalized wonder made for someone special. Built on a Rolls-Royce Phantom base, it's been transformed into something unique. Nearly every part is customized, from the sleek exterior to the plush interior. Inspired by high-end yachts, it even has a built-in mini-fridge for champagne. It boasts a powerful 6.75-liter V12 engine that can reach 155 miles per hour. Crafted with premium materials like metal and leather, the attention to detail is stunning. This car doesn't come cheap, though. Its estimated cost is a jaw-dropping $28 million, making it one of the most expensive cars ever. But for the owner, it's a tailor-made masterpiece worth every penny. Number 7. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. This car is more than just a way to get around. It's like a masterpiece on wheels. Its smooth and fast-looking shape takes cues from the famous Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, one of the most gorgeous cars ever. It stands out with its unique black color and special C-shaped taillights. But it's not just pretty to look at. This car has a strong engine with 4 turbochargers, giving it 1,500 horsepower. It can speed up super fast and go over 260 miles per hour, so it's one of the fastest and strongest cars you can find. However, it's really expensive. It cost around $19 million. That's as much as buying a tiny island or even a private plane. And since there's only one like it, it's a rare treasure for collectors. Number 6. Spyros Panopolis Chaos. This car is an engineering marvel, setting new standards for what cars can do. With a mind-blowing 3,000 horsepower and the same amount of torque, it's not for everyone. It gets this power from a huge 9.4-liter V8 engine with 4 electric motors. The car can reach speeds over 350 miles per hour, making it one of the quickest and most advanced cars out there. It has special features like moving parts to help it cut through the air and a top-notch suspension system. Now, about the cost. It's around $18 million. It's definitely not a car for people looking to save money. Number 5. Bugatti Centodieci. The Bugatti Centodieci is a special car celebrating the famous Bugatti EB110 from the 1990s. This car is not just about speed, it's also a symbol of luxury and fine design. Ready for a shock? It cost around $9 million. Now, why is it so pricey? Here's why. This car is super fast. Its engine, which is a big 8.0-liter with 4 turbochargers, gives it a whopping 1,600 horsepower. This means it can go really fast, over 236 miles per hour. That makes it one of the fastest cars available. Looks-wise, the Centodieci is a beauty. Its white color reminds people of the old Bugatti EB110. The outside has cool designs that honor the classic car. Inside, it's fancy with top-quality materials like leather and carbon fiber. It's also packed with the latest tech, like a digital dashboard and a big touchscreen. Number 4. Lamborghini Sian Roadster. Introducing the Lamborghini Sian Roadster, a masterpiece of speed and elegance. Its powerful V12 engine generates 819 horsepower, propelling it to speeds over 200 miles per hour. Unique hybrid technology stores energy, providing extra bursts of speed and efficiency. The futuristic design features removable roof panels for an open-air experience and upward-opening doors. Inside, lavish materials like carbon fiber and leather enhance luxury. Priced around $3.7 million, the Sian Roadster symbolizes exclusivity, with only 19 units ever produced. It's a rare opportunity to own a blend of art and engineering, representing the pinnacle of automotive innovation. Number 3. McLaren Solus. Let's talk about the McLaren Solus, a super special car. Only 10 of these cars exist in the whole world. They were made by McLaren Automotive and McLaren Special Operations, which is cool. The Solus car looks amazing, and its price is $3.5 million, but there's more to know. This car has a strong engine under its hood. It's a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that makes 814 horsepower. That's a lot of power. With this power, the Solus car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 2.8 seconds. Wow! The car not only goes fast, but it also looks super cool. It's made from carbon fiber, making it look sleek and modern. The car sits on big wheels that have special tires, so it's impressive when driving around. People will definitely look at you with envy when you drive this incredible car on the road. Number 2. Dillard's D12. Let's talk about Dillard's D12. This is no regular car. It's like a work of art made with car knowledge. The way it's designed to move smoothly through the air and its super advanced technology make this car very different from others on the road. But being so special costs a lot of money. Dillard's D12 costs about $2.6 million. That's a huge amount, making it one of the world's most expensive and rare cars. But if you're lucky and can get one, your happiness from having it is worth a lot. Inside the car, a powerful V12 engine can make up to 900 horsepower. This means it can go really, really fast and move easily. The car's fancy suspension and brakes make sure it's safe to drive. The inside is very comfortable and the design is amazing. They are only making a few of these cars, so having one is like collecting something extraordinary. Number 1. Hispano-Suiza Carmen Balón. Let's talk about the Hispano-Suiza Carmen Balón. This car is not like regular cars, it's more like a piece of art that you can drive around. But this special car comes with a really big price, about $2 million. So it's not something everyone can get. The car's name, Carmen Balón, is cool because it's named after a famous racing place in France. This car is special because there aren't many of them, and it's a special version of the Hispano-Suiza Carmen car. Carmen Balón is very powerful. It has an electric motor with as much power as 1,100 horses. This means it can go fast and be good at driving on the road. The inside of the car is really fancy too, with super nice materials and cool technology. When you see it, you'll be really amazed. Thanks for tuning into our journey through the realm of unbelievably expensive cars. We hope you enjoyed exploring these luxurious and rare gems that only a fortunate few can afford. Do you have a favorite among these exclusive rides, or perhaps you dream of owning one someday? Let us know in the comments below. Your thoughts and feedback mean the world to us. If you found this video as intriguing as we did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more exhilarating content.